the natural Supreme pellets. It took a long time for us to transfer him over. He was very obese when we got him at our Texas Parrot Rescue. We are going to show you some fun clips today, hanging out with him. Welcome back. It's been a hot minute since I have done a video other than the shorts on the channel. As you can see, I'm always busy with the feathered babies and all of my kids and the homestead. All right, let's get this going. Yes, he still says cigarette.
Is that funny? Yeah. You want a cigarette? You want a cigarette?
Are you crazy today? Are you a crazy yellow-collared macaw? Stop it!
You better apologize. That hurts. No bad bird.
Oh. You want mine? Oh.
There's your answer for you.
Master. Are you kidding me?
Are you abusing me? Abusing his owner.
What are you doing?
You want a kiss? You want a cigarette? Cigarette? You want a cigarette?
You want some pellets? You want an almond? You want a treat? Alright, so Mac always has a fit, guys. When he gets his pellets, he starts cursing everybody out. But he loves his raw almonds. Alright, Alyssa's gonna get a pellet. We're gonna see. We're gonna give him a pellet.
You want some pellets? Oh.
Yeah.
Have a bite. Oh no. Have a bite. Oh, here's a whole bowl. A whole bowl of them, yeah.
Are you laughing?
Oh, sorry.
What do you find? What is it?
Corn?
Here, show him this. The raw almonds.
He's mad. Oh, here's an almond.
Oh, look what we got for you, Master.
You want an almond?
Oh, now he's happy. Mackers is happy. Yum, yum, yum. Raw almonds, no salt, not cooked. He's getting all the goodness and what nuts provide. Oh, this was fantastic, Mac. All right, thanks, guys. Love your parrot crew for joining us today on this funny episode of Mac, the yellow-collared macaw that we adopted to our Texas Parrot Rescue for our sanctuary program over 2 years ago. We haven't done a video on him for a hot minute. So this was super fun to do with Mac. He is thriving and doing so well in his home here with us. Bye, Mac. Bye.
You should see the mess that you just made.
Mackers. Oh my. Look at the mess you made. But it was so good, wasn't it?